Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will take a deep dive into the fascinating world of the psychology of money. In this video, we'll explore how our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors surrounding money shape our lives in profound ways. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? Or why certain financial decisions can lead to regret? These questions are at the heart of money psychology, and we're here to unpack them for you. We'll discuss key concepts such as the emotional triggers behind spending, the impact of financial stress on mental health, and the role of mindset in achieving financial success. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the psychological factors that influence your financial decisions, but also gain valuable insights that can help you make better choices. So, whether you're looking to improve your budgeting skills or simply want to understand your relationship with money, stick around. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together and uncover the important lessons that money can teach us. Understanding money. Mindset. Let's dive into the concept of money mindset and how it profoundly impacts our financial decisions. A money mindset refers to the beliefs and attitudes we hold about money, which shape our views on wealth and abundance. It's not just about how much money we have, it's about how we think about that money. There are two primary types of money mindsets: scarcity and abundance. A scarcity mindset focuses on limitations and fear, leading to anxiety around money and a tendency to hoard resources. In contrast, an abundance mindset embraces the idea that there are enough resources for everyone, fostering generosity and a willingness to invest in opportunities. Our upbringing and personal experiences play a significant role in forming these mindsets. For instance, if you grew up in a household where money was a constant source of stress, you might develop a scarcity mindset. Conversely, those raised in environments that encouraged financial growth and exploration are more likely to adopt an abundance mindset. Understanding these influences can empower us to reshape our relationship with money for the better. Stay put while we name some sneaky common triggers that can undermine your financial security. Emotional spending. Emotional spending is a common behavior that many of us engage in, often without realizing it. It refers to the tendency to make purchases based on our feelings rather than our actual needs. Common triggers for emotional spending include stress, loneliness, and even boredom. When we experience negative emotions, shopping can provide a temporary escape or a quick boost of happiness, but this relief is often short-lived. The consequences of emotional spending can be significant, leading to financial strain and regret. Overspending can result in debt, anxiety, and a cycle of guilt that only exacerbates the initial emotional triggers. To manage emotional spending, it's essential to develop strategies that promote mindful purchasing. Start by identifying your triggers and finding healthier coping mechanisms, such as exercise, journaling, or talking to a friend. Creating a budget can also help you stay accountable and prioritize your spending. Lastly, practice pausing before making a purchase. Ask yourself if it's a need or just a temporary emotional response. By implementing these strategies, you can cultivate a healthier relationship with money and your emotions. Stay with us until the end when we'll discuss ways you can mindfully build your wealth. The role of financial education. Financial education plays a crucial role in shaping our money behavior and overall financial well-being. When individuals are financially literate, they are empowered to make informed decisions about budgeting, saving, investing, and spending. This knowledge helps demystify complex financial concepts, enabling people to navigate their financial lives with confidence and clarity. There are numerous resources available for improving financial knowledge, including this channel, books, online courses, and workshops. Popular titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Total Money Makeover offer valuable insights, while platforms like Coursera and Udemy provide accessible courses on personal finance topics. To ensure you always have immediate access to this channel and its continuing financial education, subscribe now. And forward this video to anyone you know who can also benefit. Understanding personal finance has long-term benefits that extend beyond just managing money. It can lead to better financial stability, reduced stress, and the ability to achieve financial goals, such as home ownership and retirement. By prioritizing financial education, individuals can break the cycle of financial literacy and create a brighter, more secure future for themselves and their families. Investing time in learning about money is one of the best decisions you can make for your financial health. The influence of social comparison. Social comparison significantly affects our financial choices and overall satisfaction with our financial situations. In today's digital age, social media amplifies this effect by showcasing curated images of wealth and success, often leading us to feel inadequate or envious. Online platforms can create unrealistic standards, making it easy to compare our financial status with that of others, even if those portrayals are not entirely accurate. The psychological effects of comparing ourselves to others can be detrimental. It can lead to feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and even impulsive spending as we strive to keep up with perceived norms. This constant comparison can distract us from our own financial goals and achievements. To combat this, it's essential to focus on personal financial goals rather than external comparisons. Start by setting clear, achievable objectives that align with your values and aspirations. Regularly track your progress and celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. By shifting your focus inward, you can cultivate a healthier relationship with money and enhance your overall satisfaction. Stick with us as we show you how to build a stable financial foundation for your whole family. Building wealth mindfully. Building wealth mindfully is about more than just accumulating money. It's about creating a sustainable financial future that aligns with your values and goals. The first step in this journey is setting clear financial goals and intentions. Whether you aim to save for a home, invest for retirement, or fund your children's education, having specific objectives helps guide your financial decisions and keeps you focused. Patience and discipline are crucial components of wealth accumulation. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for quick returns, but true financial growth often takes time. By consistently saving and investing, even in small amounts, you can harness the power of compound interest and see your wealth grow over the years. Adopting a long-term perspective on financial growth is essential. Instead of fixating on short-term market fluctuations or immediate gratification, focus on your overall financial journey. This mindset not only reduces stress, but also allows you to make informed decisions that contribute to lasting wealth. By being mindful in your approach, you can build a prosperous future that reflects your aspirations. This mindful approach to money is not just for you, it is necessary for the financial health of your entire family. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the psychology of money, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discussed how our money mindset shapes our views on wealth, the impact of emotional spending on our financial health, and the importance of financial education in making informed decisions. We also examined how social comparison can influence our financial choices and the significance of building wealth mindfully through clear goals and patience. Now we encourage you to reflect on your own money mindset and habits. Consider how your upbringing and experiences have shaped your relationship with money. Then think about the steps you can take to foster a healthier financial outlook for you and your family. You can do this. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these lessons. Don't forget to explore our related content for more tips on improving your financial well-being. Start now with this next video. Thank you for joining us on this journey.